Looking for a reliable high-power replacement or backup charger for a Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga 7? This 135W adapter stands out as a strong everyday solution for users who need stable and consistent charging performance. Designed to match the power requirements of demanding laptops, it delivers efficient energy output that helps keep your device running smoothly whether you are working, multitasking, or handling heavier workloads. The build quality feels solid and dependable, with a design focused on durability for long-term use, making it suitable for both office setups and travel situations. One of the key advantages is its ability to maintain steady charging even when the laptop is in active use, reducing battery drain during intensive tasks such as video conferencing, editing, or multiple applications running at once. Compatibility with the ThinkPad Yoga 7 ensures a secure connection and reliable power delivery, minimizing interruptions and overheating risks. Safety features are also an important highlight, as the charger is designed to include protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, helping to safeguard both the charger and your laptop. The cable length offers practical flexibility, allowing comfortable usage whether you are sitting at a desk or working in a more mobile environment. Heat management is generally efficient, with the adapter maintaining a controlled temperature during extended use. Overall, this 135W laptop charger is a practical and efficient power solution for users who need dependable performance and consistent charging for their Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga 7, making it a valuable accessory for both productivity and everyday computing needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.